Hi, my name is Rinky. I'm from Bolney. This is our Kilimanjaro from Wellis, and we buy this in August. And this is my husband, Lucky.
Hi, this is our Kilimanjaro. We absolutely love it, and we bought the place, and it was the best thing to complement such a nice house. We thought we'd go with the Kilimanjaro. The Kilimanjaro kind of appealed to us because it had all the features. It's one of their best sellers, and we just found all the extras, the upgrades were fantastic and really complemented the kind of the setting. The spec was everything we wanted. The oxygen therapy we find was fantastic. My wife really kind of took to that.
My husband told me about the oxygen. When I heard it, I didn't believe it, but when I tried first time, it actually, I feel my skin very smooth, and I love it.
Yeah, you love the oxygen.
Yeah.
And it's nice because you can kind of calm things down before you get out, and you come out with the smoothest skin, she tells me.
It's very good for family, and I love the lounge one because I love spa, but I don't have time to go out just because I'm a little busy at home with kids. So whenever I just feel tired, whenever kids go to bed, so I was thinking, just let's go and sit down on the lounge and give me nice massage to my legs, back, and I love it. I do recommend here to my friends and my husband's family. Yeah, I will say they should definitely buy it.